All right, here we are, Friday the 13th, heading to Haliburton Sculpture Forest, waiting to see Mr. Banks. He's got the top of the Dandelion all ready to roll on the back of his truck. Where'd he go? He's gone. His truck was parked here. Oh, there he is. He's over there. Gotta run, gotta run. He's gonna leave without me. We're going. Oh, he didn't leave without me. Mr. Banks!
You're excited.
What are we doing today?
We're working hard.
All right, I thought you were gonna leave without me.
No.
But where are we heading to?
Haliburton.
Let's go! Getting close. Getting close. We're at Minden already, so we're almost there.
Nice.
All right, we're so close. We're at the Tim Hortons in Haliburton. Gonna get a coffee, and then it's like Haliburton Sculpture Forest is 5 minutes away. Only in Haliburton would you see 3 deer on the side of the road on the way to the Haliburton Sculpture Forest. We made it. We're here, Mr. Banks.
We did it.
Long, what are we doing right now?
We're getting in the back and we're gonna go deliver this beauty. Are you walking?
I don't know. I guess I'm riding. Hang on, I have to get up. I gotta fall over here. There we go. Here we go. We're delivering this. Ah!
Sit down.
I can stand.
Sit down.
You're being my mom. Stop it. The Dandelion is moving from the parking lot into the forest. This is so exciting. Here we go.
2 years.
2 years in the making. We're going deep into the forest.
I would have died laughing if that branch.
Shut up!
Oh, look at this.
There it is.
Sorry, I'll get out of the way so you can get a picture. No. Go badly.
So what nonsense is this?
It's not nonsense. It's
What is
art.
it?
This is
What are we looking at?
This is the foundation and stem of the Dandelion sculpture that we spent 2 years
Woo!
getting ready. I'm so glad that it's near the little barbecue-y looking.
Yeah.
Okay, they're bringing out the big guns here. You gave me the camera, sorry.
So once we get it off, we'll just take it.
I can see where it's come up. You definitely got up over an inch.
There we go.
Yay! Hey!
Am I too high to think, Craig?
matter what side the hole?
Down? Down.
Come closer this way. There you go. Push. Let's try lifting up and it should drop.
Go down.
Yeah, we're gonna let down. Ready? Yep. Grab the other thing over. Okay. Stop there.
Yeah.
Joe, am I currently in charge here? Absolutely.
No.
If the sculpture falls on you, Ted, you're... Let it come down. You guys got a hold of that? Calm.
Yeah.
Yep.
This isn't slipping.
We have to kind of wiggle it on there.
Go for a second. You guys have it?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. You think we went straight up, it might slip down? Maybe. Try it.
Oh my god. Not on your head. Yay! Woohoo!
Yeah. Let's scratch the paint.
You think we're okay there?
Good thing you found that pry bar.
Oh my goodness.
A little bit up.
Oh my gosh. Oh!
You want to just get rested up on the first gate?
Oh my gosh. It's top heavy, that's the thing. Watch your feet.
Okay, want to look just level it?
Oh!
No sudden movement. Pry bar underneath here.
Okay, you guys got it?
Yep. You get the pry bar underneath. You got it? Yep. Go underneath here. Yeah. And then go to the back bolt now. No, back bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah! Woohoo! Now it's just the leaves and the bolts.
We're level. statement from Jim here. So if you can stand in front of here and give us a rundown on this whole project.
Oh my gosh.
Get in there.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
He's a very demanding teacher.
is,
He
he
demands excellence from his students. My name is Jim Blake.
And who are you?
I am the curator of the Haliburton Sculpture Forest.
So what's going on here today?
Well, our goal is to have a new sculpture here every year. And a couple of years ago, our friend Deb sent us a picture. And it was a picture of a dandelion sculpture at the Royal Vic Hospital, at the new cancer wing. And she said, wouldn't it be lovely to have one of these at the Sculpture Forest? So well, that's not so easy. Like, who's the artist? Anyway, we found out that it wasn't just one artist. It was the entire Innisdale Integrated Art program that had created it in 2015. And so we talked to Jenica, who's one of the coordinators of the program, and said, would you be interested in working with us to create another one for the Sculpture Forest? And she said, absolutely. And so we've been working over the last 2 years. Deb raised the money. The students came up with their own new idea for this. And for Deb, it's been her coda for many years, the dandelion going to seed and the wish flying off. And so some see a weed, I see a wish. And what an inspirational message for the Sculpture Forest.
My name is Deb Shackle, and this was my big wish, was to have a dandelion sculpture in the Haliburton Sculpture Forest.
And can you explain the significance of the sculpture for us?
So the day that I was at the cancer unit at RVH, I came out of my appointment after learning more about my diagnosis. And the first thing I saw in the courtyard was the dandelion sculpture that the Innisdale Integrated Arts students had made there. And it was like a sign of hope for me, because dandelions have always had a special place in my heart as a symbol of seeing the best in things and a symbol of hope. So when I saw that, it brought me good feeling.
So your idea culminated in this sculpture.
Yes, yes.
And it looks fantastic.
And I love it.